can you please record this one because I might be using this recording for my reference later on.
Yes, it's recorded. So I will give a screen share, and in screen share, I will go to the system. Where is it? This is one, but it's not simple. Not here we are. Or where it is? Where it is? I have too many windows open here, and it's not easy to identify the proper one. Sorry.
Okay, take your time. Yeah, by the way, since while waiting, as far as I understand your emails in the past few days, there are three steps. Okay, first, there are VAs to look for what you call these leads. Then second, there is a dedicated VA to do the system, correct? And another VA to call for these prospects, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes it's necessary to call in the meantime because there is no email address. But now we are on the system now. You, do
Okay,
you see
okay,
my
okay.
screen?
Yes, yes, yes. I see it
Okay,
now.
so you will get this access to the web. In fact, here is a part of training, so you can watch videos which are here. I only show you how do I understand. So
Okay, sure.
you start here, uh, click on new funnel from scratch. As I explained, you can type the name of the company, and it goes to attorneys. We have this funnel is attorneys, so it will go here, and you need to set up this funnel. To set up it's like here there is questions and answers. We might maybe improve it later. Probably there is no another way just to copy paste. I don't know how to do it. There is some preset template, and other things, other stuff must be copy paste. Then there is some general settings uh, which maybe you will not change. It means how long the agent will wait until he or she ask, "Are you with me?" or "Is there something else?" There might be any question here, and if no response within 30 seconds, the agent will close the chat. So this is set up individually for each customer, but you can change it if necessary. I don't see the reason how to change it. And here
Okay, okay.
is
Mhm.
widget settings, which where is the code at the end of this is embedded code. This there is probably something which doesn't work yet. I don't know. So here is the code we will need to later. I will show you. I will explain you when we go it. And this is the pop-up delay in seconds. It means how many seconds last until when someone comes to their web page. So there is 3 seconds, and this pop-up will appear. This pop-up video will appear.
Okay.
I,
Okay. By the way, just in a bit, do these things that you've mentioned to me right now are included in the trainings in this account?
I believe yes. Not everything. I will only tell you what I identified. So we go quickly because I don't have
Okay.
either time. Autoresponder, there is not this. This relates to some get response and design and behavior. Then you can choose which picture you can upload any picture of any lady which you want, and change here big below. So I changed here always the name of the company, so like this Patricia works for Big Below, for example here, and here is the logo of company. Um, okay, so that's all, and here is the video which you upload. At the moment we have only, for attorneys we have only this one video. So which niches is here? Oh, it's some new niches here. So attorney, dentist, car dealers, refinance, chiropractors, car dealership, another refinance, chiro, attorney, dentist. So I see that there are some new niches added. So maybe attorneys, they are uh, two videos. This is one what we use. This is one what we use, and the new one, I have no idea what's the same. It was, I don't know why. It's maybe different language. It might be different accent. I have no idea what is this. Maybe it's in training section new mm, explanation. So now what you need is you go to Prospector, then create new page, and this will be again business name. It's law company or company business name, contact person, client's email, and client's phone. So there will be this contact. All this will be found by another virtual assistant. So you simply take an Excel and fill it here from the Excel. Now, I cannot continue. Okay, I will probably do, it must be some at. So these stupid data which I filled up are here, and now you can change it anytime. Funnels to embed, so you must here connect it with the new funnel which you built up. Yeah, so
Uh,
this will be
okay, okay,
funnels. Here you created funnel, and here you will connect is with the person. And in fact,
okay,
that's
sir.
all. Here is the website, client website, where will be the code embedded. So this we will send to the client. And what we have is, I must stop sharing here, and I will share another screen. What's how can sorry.
Okay, take your time. Yeah, by the
Uh,
way, would you mind me, because I wanted to access that account. Would you mind me if I get the access of that account, so that later on, or maybe evening in my time, I can go with the training. I could hover to the training tab and then check on all the trainings in there, so that I could have a clear idea on how the system works. But
I will during the day I will send you the data. You will work on a remote desktop, so I don't want that the owner of or the system knows that you are somewhere else. That it's not me who is working on with the system. So you will get remote desktop data. You will log to my web page, to my server, and there will be this website, and uh, you can watch it. Okay,
okay,
so
so yeah,
you will get the
uh
access.
okay,
So
yeah, so you mean that later on, maybe in a couple of days, I I should be using remotely your desktop or your account, so that the system will not recognize that I'm using another IP which is not yours, correct?
Yeah, but I don't think it would be a big problem even if you log from your location, because they recommended us. Okay, can you see this Excel now?
No, no.
I'm sharing the web screen with the Excel.
Yes, I am now seeing. I'm looking at it right now.
But now you see it because I see that it is shared.
Yes,
It's not
yes.
okay. You see my cursor?
Your cursor, no. Only your screen.
Okay, no idea, no problem. So here on the left column is which virtual assistant I have: two, Fawad and Kamar. They are from Pakistan. Niche, we work on at the moment we work only on niche attorneys. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
here is the city where this attorney is located, attorney company, and here is the website of attorney. Here is the AdWords budget, which they found on Spyfu, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, there are some AdWords keywords, so it means what they are mainly advertising with keyword is not important. This means if they already have agent, because there is many companies which already have the agent. This, this small lady which will come up and say hello, etc. Here is
Okay,
the
okay. I
telephone
see.
number of their company, name of the boss, um,
Profession.
um, responsible attorney, I don't know. And here is the email. Email is not always clear on the website. I'm wonder where these guys found emails, because there was 99% of web pages which didn't have an email. So
Okay.
maybe at this moment,
Uh. Okay.
uh,
Because I think maybe those guys. I. I. I don't think so. But maybe they have this what we call a software that could hunt for emails of those personalities. But if you want really to have a free to get emails free, then you should have to go to the Google, then look for their LinkedIn, and then or hover to their website, because
moment.
if you would really take time and then look for their emails, then you will get it.
Moment.
But sometimes most of these persons will not
Dobre.
share their emails because they thought that if they would share that on their website, then they will be spam. So that is their
Uh,
thought.
yeah, what I propose at this moment is that this telephone assistant will call, at this moment will call to company Michelle Hingle here and verify if this is a real, if this is their. It
Working
looks there is
email.
a this misunderstanding, because this Hingle.com. Uh-huh. Yeah, probably they have two domain names, because there is a different domain name here and here is different. So what I propose is that our telephone assistant will call them to verify if this is really their email address. And in this case, where address is missing, the VA will call and ask for their email address. Yeah,
Okay, I see.
here searcher may put some notes to call VA to say, I don't know, this company has many telephone or email addresses, or I am confused who is really the boss. Please verify also the boss. So this is the note for VA, which will call. So this first part is the work of search VA. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now it will be your turn. So in the meantime, there might be also the telephone call VA, which will verify these email addresses at the first. And now this will
Okay,
be
okay, I see.
your turn, and you will set up these companies into our system. And once it is set up, here you paste this email address which was in the system. I will go here and uh, I will just, where is it? Here we are. So this was this, you don't see it, but this was uh, email address which gave you the system. Okay, so you put it here. And this is, and you put it here and you test if it really works, if everything is okay.
Okay.
And then virtual call assistant will come here, send offer, or there she will check it, she will send an offer, send an email with this link, call there if they got it, and result what they say, well, we are not interesting, or yes, give us some data, some proposal, or whatever. So the call assistant will do the job here.
Okay. Okay. So I understand.
So
So basically we will have to set up first the system, even though that they have not paid us yet.
yes, yes, the
That
system,
yeah.
uh,
Okay. Go
the
on.
system is in the way that we will give them 14 days, for example, to test it, to check it.
Ah.
They,
Okay.
they can even put some advertisement or the Google Ads link to this web page, not the original, but this web page, to see if there are some conversions, etc.
Okay. Okay. Sure. I understand. So
And
so there is a 14-day trial for these prospects,
yes,
and then if yeah, and
if
then
they
there are
agree, if
there
they agree, if
yeah.
they
Okay.
in telephone call they say, okay, we will try it and we will let you know, or something like this.
Okay. I understand. So basically, I just would like to clarify my function as a VA. So since you mentioned that the two VAs from Pakistan, which is, I don't know who they are the searchers, correct? And the
Yes,
other one is for the phone call. So
yes,
basically now, as far as I understand um our conversation, so I'll be the one who will be dedicated to the system, the one that you have shown me. Am I correct with my understanding?
yes, it is the first thing. And if you succeed to set it up quickly, everything, then you can be also the searcher. You watch the videos how to make search, etc. If necessary, I will advise you.
Okay,
So
okay, sure, sure.
that's why my question was how much time you really have, because we have already 106 records here, and it might be even more work for you. But if you work quickly, maybe you can catch up.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah,
I would
yeah,
like,
sure.
for the setup you need a logo and photo of some lawyer. These searchers, they prepared it, but something happened, they deleted it. So you should have in the folder, also in the shared folder, kind of folder with logo and photo of someone from the company. Yeah, because only
Okay.
they already have injury, they already have some lawyers which have the photo, sometimes not.
Yeah, by the
uh,
way, didn't these two guys from Pakistan get the logo and
from the
the
website,
contact person?
from the
Did
website.
didn't they didn't they get didn't they get,
Yes,
information?
they did it, but something happened, and there is some problem with it. So I don't know
Um
what happened, but they said they accidentally deleted it or something like this happened. I don't know, no
can
idea.
yeah,
But
did you request from them to retrieve or
I
to
will
do
I
it?
will I have it. I have them on Skype now.
Okay, okay, sure.
When you join
Maybe probably at this time, I want to master how the system works. So
host
maybe
and
today or in the next coming days, I want to study the training on the system. If you would allow me, maybe today or tomorrow, I could access the system and hover on the training tab and then review all those trainings. And then as well as I will review those links as well as this video recording that you're recording right now so that in the coming days I can quickly adapt on how to input all of this information in the system. How's that?
okay, I don't think you need days. I believe if I succeed to give you today the access and you can play one day. You can not even play. You can even start to make a new funnels,
Mm-hmm.
and you will see. If you do something wrong, you can delete it. But you
Yeah,
can
yeah, yeah. It's
start
easily,
inserting
yeah, you can
new
easily edit
funnels.
it.
I am only afraid the situation that there is no possible to set it into a folder or something like this. So in the quickly we will have hundreds of clients and funnels. So it will need some system to have overview, not to be lost, not to mismatch something, etc. You see.
Okay, may I ask you what is the system they are using to share you the logo and the photos of those
The
prospects
logo
that
they
they
found
research?
the logo they found in the website, and we use scissor tools to simply cut it off, uh, logo from their website.
No, I mean the cloud-based sharing tool that they use for them to share to you those research things, those research output that they got.
It's Google Drive. It's Google Drive. So you will have this is online. This is
Mm-hmm.
online Excel, which I presented you, where we are. This is online Excel, and I don't know what you. I will stop sharing now, and
Okay, sure.
this online Excel is you will have online. I have only the concern how to do it with this uh, telephone VA,
Stop.
because
Oh, okay.
she will see everything, and maybe I would propose that you split it. I don't know how to do it. I don't want that she sees everything, because in fact if anyone of you will delete the Excel, then it will be deleted everything. So it's
Okay,
important to
so
make sometimes download and save data.
so
So
you mean that there should be a backup of everything that we saved, correct?
yeah, backup, yes. So now you see probably this Excel.
So
Where
so
is it?
better maybe if there is a dual um just give me time to make a dual of it. So say this one, the CVE report Excel file is only shared by you and the two guys from Pakistan. But then once you will share this to me, I'll get a copy of it and then
Uh,
I'll put VA report 2 that is a backup of this one, then I'll have to share it only to you.
Uh,
How's that?
no, this is I don't make any secret to anyone to you, but maybe I have no idea. Maybe we will split it into 50. 50 records. From this main sheet, we will split into 50 records, and you will work with 50 records, and we will give access to telephone guy or lady to these 50 records. And until you do everything in 50 records, then you go to another 50. My objective is to have two, maybe if I succeed to find two telephone agent, because this is very important. How do they make a call to customer? And not everybody is able to sell, by the call. So it's better to have maybe more telephone, and I don't want that they too in between see how successful is another one.
Okay, okay. So you are avoiding the competition. So it should be that the other person should not be intimidated by the success of the another person. Correct.
So maybe it will be only between you and me will be aware, and you will organize it. So you will send instructions, you will send email, etc., and probably split this Excel into first 50, then another 50. So this will be only 50 records in each Excel. This Pakistani guy, they will go to maybe 150. I have no idea, 200, 300. This will be the main screen, and there is a, I will try to share it. There is a drive. Here we are. I will try to share it if I succeed. There is a drive which will where you will have all the data. I have no idea
Mm.
where the drive. How can I saw it? Mm-mm. I have no idea where I can find it. So you will get the link to the drive, Google Drive, where you will have access to everything.
Okay, sure. That's great.
Probably we will do it in the way that you will have access to this Excel sheet from the which this searcher make. And moment, I will try to see it. Here we are. Okay, so now I will try to share it. And you will copy of this system. You will copy only those which are actually working. So here we are. So this is what Fawad has available. So this is his timesheet, but he works on Odesk, so maybe this is not necessary. Here is this VA report. So you will have access to his VA report. You see me?
Yes, yes.
This is his VA report, which we talked just before. You will copy first. You can download it and do it on Excel, or you can do it in online. It's on you how you are experienced. And here is the file folder with banners, and there should be banners of these are only two companies, Harel Novak and something else. So there should be all of these logos, etc. here. If not, you will have to find these logos. And a part of Fawad, you will have your own. I already sent you probably the link. You will have your own sheet, your own
Mm-hmm.
folder, Lawrence. And here
Okay.
in folder will be a kind of folder, let's say VA telephone, and maybe one. I, you can call it however you want. and you will only feed here the data which this VA telephone 1 will need. You understand?
Okay,
So there will
understand.
be only this from out of these 100, I don't know, records, there will be only one Excel with 50 records. There might
Okay,
be,
okay.
if I succeed to find VA telephone 2, she will have also only uh, 50 records. Yes.
Okay,
And
okay.
once
Okay,
she
understand.
goes through all these 50 records, she will get new 50 records.
Okay.
But they will not compete on one sheet.
They have different list.
Yes, they will have different list, and then we can evaluate the success, how successful they are in making telephone calls.
Okay. So maybe I guess if you would like really to have a best uh tele person, then we should have to hire a telemarketer. That is what we
Yes.
call here. Yeah.
Okay.
A call center representative that is
So I already
ex
give you sharing this the new what's the new uh, all this general file. So where is it? Here we are. So you got the access to the folder where Fawad has all the data. Did I
Okay,
give
sure.
you the access to this your? So you,
I'll have to check it later then. I will confirm.
okay, I will give you again, no problem. So you should receive now 2 emails with 2 links, and
Mm-hmm.
you have access to, you see my cursor, you have access here where you find
Okay.
this VA report plus banners, and then you have access to yours where you will simply, you can use it for whatever you want, but you will split this main VA report to uh, telemarketer, or how you call it, telemarketer. Okay, I will change. Uh, where is it? Change. Okay, it should be somewhere rename VA telemarketer 1. You can, instead of 1, you can write the name once we
Okay, okay,
get
sure.
this. I have one telemarketer from Filipino and probably one telemarketer from United States.
Okay, sure.
So you see, you will be kind of boss. I will introduce you also to these 2 guys, Fawad and Kamar. So you will be able to give them certain instructions or ask them to whatever. Yeah, there is something not clear in their sheet, so you will ask them to clarify them. But you should be able
Okay, sure.
to make a search uh, yourself. If you watch the previous videos where I explained how to do the search using SpyFu, etc. Did you watch it?
Yes, yes, I do. I did.
So you know how they do it.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So today I want to make a training of telephone lady, and I will send you the link. I will send you the link um, about this training, so you will see what we were talking about.
Yeah,
I give you the
yeah,
record.
by the way, do you have any script for a telemarketer to use during her or his telephone conversations to a prospect?
No. Do you have some psychology training?
Ah, okay.
Do you know how to? I believe that they either they have some experience or they will get it. I don't have any instruction, any special instructions how to make a
Because
telephone.
because here's the thing, because here in the Philippines, when you have a telemarketer, one should have a script for them to sell the product or whatever it is. But maybe if if you don't have, then what will we do is we have to have a person who had an experience with telemarketing, and then we ask her or him to have a script. Then we will review that script.
Mhm.
You have to review the script. If whether it is correct or not, then we will hire him or her
You know,
to have that.
yeah, but I don't like even if they read the script. This is something which the prospector can feel that, wow, this is I am on some framework. So I
Okay,
prefer
okay,
maybe to have some general instructions and to be maybe natural. But well, you will have contact to Filipino telemarketer, and you can sit together or call together and maybe prepare some kind of script. If
okay.
she
Sure,
is
sure.
experienced and maybe you are also trained by
In a
Erland.
way, in a way, you're gonna speaking with him or with her, and you can assess if whether he's fit or she is fit for the job.
I will talk today, I believe, to her.
Okay,
I have no idea how do I assess it. Simply, I will give her the job and see if she is successful or not. Do you want to help me with this work? I can uh, I can give you contact. Ah, well, this is I don't have email because this is on Fiverr. So um, I don't have a contact to her.
maybe better if if she is that a woman or a man?
She's
Is
a
she a
woman
is
and
yeah?
she's Upwork.
She's from where?
Uh, Jobs. The Philippines, but I don't have any other idea. I will tell you the name or nickname when I get
Okay,
there.
so better if if you'll ask her to submit a resume with all her previous job and previous project, then we'll have to review it because the resume
Jeneline
will
Lopez. Jeneline
okay
Lopez.
because the a resume will tell us if whether she's fit or not. And
Okay, I will give her your contact, your email, and she will connect to you, and then maybe you can interview her or something like this.
maybe I'll just have to ask her resume, and then after I have reviewed it, then maybe I can have a call or something like I can email her afterwards.
I can send it to you. What I have from her. It's quite extensive. A typing test. Here is a typing test. Okay, I will paste. I will stop the recording now.
Okay, sure.
Where is it?